So here we're going to start with the combo. You've got the primer up here and the mascara down here. This is the UnderSense, this is the LashSense. And you're going to apply it to every single lash. Make sure that you get, and see how I'm rolling the wand? That's because I want to get every single little lash. Okay, and then you're going to do the same with the bottom. Quickly, because you do not want the primer to dry. If the primer dries, it'll be stiff and it won't work. Everybody who tries our mascara the right way falls in love with it. Nothing, LashSense and UnderSense makes a huge difference. So remember those little tips. Apply the primer. Make sure that you do not let it dry. The primer needs to be kind of tacky whenever you go to put the mascara on. So you don't want it to dry all the way. So immediately after applying the bottom, I go and start putting it on the top. All right, so there's your tutorial on how to use our mascara. And I hope that this tutorial helps you understand how to use our mascara and how awesome of a product it is. And when used properly, it really does magnify your lashes. All right, hope this helps. Bye.